In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on location in ChatGPT. If you want ChatGPT to tailor answers using your approximate area, like referencing local time, nearby services, or region-specific information, turning on location can help. I'll walk you through the exact path in the app's settings and explain what you'll see along the way, so you feel confident about what you're enabling. Start by opening ChatGPT and looking to the left side of the screen. That's where the main sidebar lives. This panel is your hub for navigation, and it's also where you'll find your account controls. Near the bottom of that sidebar, click your profile icon. It's the small avatar that opens your account menu. When you click it, a panel will appear with several options related to your account and preferences. From that menu, select Settings. This opens a dedicated window where you can manage how ChatGPT behaves and what data it can use. Settings is organized into sections so you can quickly find what you need without digging around. Inside Settings, click Data Controls. This section focuses on privacy and usage permissions, things like how your data is handled and which device features the app is allowed to access. It's the right place to review what you're sharing and why. In Data Controls, look for the Location option. This is the toggle that determines whether ChatGPT can use your device's approximate location to provide more context-aware responses. You'll see a control to turn it on. Click Turn On. When you do, the app will present a confirmation prompt. This is there to make sure you understand that enabling location gives ChatGPT permission to reference your general area, which can improve relevance for certain queries. Go ahead and confirm the change. Once you confirm, location access is enabled for ChatGPT. That's all there is to it. You haven't changed anything else, and you can continue using the app as usual. If you're curious, location doesn't need to be exact to be helpful. Approximate region often works fine for time zones, regional news context, or mapping out local categories of services. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind as you move forward. If you don't immediately see the location option in Data Controls, it may not be available in your region or on your current app version yet. Also, enabling location is entirely optional. You're in control and can review this setting anytime in the same Data Controls area. And that's it. Location is now turned on in ChatGPT.